What's the meaning of backfire? Backfire. Backfire.
Backfire. Backfire. The word backfire has a few different meanings depending on the context. Generally, the term refers to an attempt at achieving a goal that results in the opposite of the intended effect. In other words, it's when a plan or action goes wrong and ends up causing more harm than good. This can happen in various situations, from attempting to fix a problem and making it worse to trying to persuade someone and causing them to be even more resistant. Backfires can occur in everyday life, in business, in politics, and in any other situation where people are trying to achieve something with a certain strategy or approach.